When your TP-Link Deco mesh Wi-Fi system shows a red light, it's like your device is trying to tell you something important. Think of it as a signal that needs your attention. The red light is your Deco system's way of communicating that something in your network setup requires your attention. There are actually three different types of red light patterns, and each one tells you something specific about what's wrong. A solid red light usually means you have a complete loss of internet connection or a major configuration error. A pulsing red light indicates your Deco is trying to connect but can't authenticate properly or is experiencing signal issues. A flashing red light could mean there's a hardware problem or your device is overheating. Recent data shows us exactly what causes these red light issues. Let me break down the statistics for you. The biggest culprit is ISP connection issues, accounting for 45% of all red light problems. This includes things like modem connectivity problems and service outages. Configuration errors make up 28% of cases. These are usually wrong network settings or authentication failures. Hardware problems cause 18% of red light issues, typically from overheating or power supply problems. Finally, software and firmware issues account for the remaining 9% of cases. Understanding your Deco mesh system helps you better diagnose red light issues. Your main Deco unit connects to your internet provider, then communicates with other Deco units throughout your home. So remember, the red light is your Deco's way of saying, hey, check these things. Different light patterns indicate different types of problems. Since most red light issues are related to your internet service provider, that's usually the first place to start troubleshooting. Let's start with basic diagnostics. The first step is a power cycle sequence, which fixes temporary connection issues about 67% of the time. Step 1. Unplug your main Deco unit for exactly 30 seconds. This allows the device to fully reset its internal state. Step 2. Restart your modem or router, then reconnect the Deco unit. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the connection to establish. Next, check all your Ethernet cables. Make sure they're properly connected and not damaged. Use the T568B wiring standard for reliable connections. If the red light persists, move to advanced troubleshooting. A factory reset resolves configuration-related issues around 78% of the time. Locate the reset button on the bottom of your Deco device. Hold it for 10 seconds while the device is powered on to perform a factory reset. After the factory reset, you'll need to reconfigure your network using the Deco mobile app. This will restore your network settings and connections. If all else fails, it's time for professional solutions. Contact your ISP to verify service status or consider hardware replacement if you suspect a defective unit. Remember, in 2025, the average resolution time for a red light issue is down to just 23 minutes. With these systematic steps, you've got the tools to get your network back online quickly and efficiently.